Hello everyone and welcome back to these slides on MRCP Part 1 examination, and we were talking about the MRCP 1 online version of the examinations. So today we will be giving a brief description about the exam regulations for the online version of this exam. Specific rules have been introduced for this examination. To avoid being interrupted by the invigilators, you should sit the exam in a suitable environment where there will be minimum or no disruptions. Any of the following violations will be recorded by the online invigilator and reported back, and will have a negative impact on your exam result. These violations include looking at a mobile phone or tablet during the examination, wearing earplugs or headphones, wearing any clothing with the ability to hide materials, for example hooded jumper, wearing sunglasses unless permitted for medical reasons, or smart glasses, wearing a watch, continuously looking around in any direction, leaving the room without permission from the invigilator, looking at the hands or wrists, accessing web pages, accessing other applications such as Word, Excel, or Windows Explorer, taking screenshots of the examination content. Continuing with the violations, these include other people entering the room, talking to anyone outside the examination room, using multiple screens, textbooks or notes in an exam environment. Blank paper for note-taking is permitted but must be destroyed at the end of the exam. Using a calculator. Room is too dark. Webcam on PC or laptop angled up or having face obscured. Smoking or vaping during the examination. A more detailed account of the exam regulations can be accessed by these given websites for Part 1 online as been given, and they describe about the regulations and procedures during this examination. These websites have got the latest regulations and procedures for the MRCP UK and specialty certificate examinations. So the candidates are strongly advised to familiarize and adhere themselves with the contents of these documents before entering any of the examinations. So these websites will include regulations for the specialty certificate exams, European specialty examinations, procedures for appeals, examination complaint procedures, reasonable adjustment procedures, code of conduct, misconduct regulations. In order to submit an appeal, that will be written in the appeal section. Now let's move on to MRCP Part 1 examination format. This can be seen on the website given. So MRCP Part 1 examination is designed to assess a candidate's knowledge and understanding of the clinical sciences relevant to the medical practice and of common important disorders to a level appropriate for entry to specialist training. Knowledge is an essential base for the practice of clinical reasoning and vital as a basis for learning during postgraduate training to develop understanding of the disease and the treatment of the diseases. The examination, which can be taken online or in an examination center, has a two-paper format. Each paper is 3 hours in duration and contains 100 multiple choice questions in the best of 5 format. This format, in addition to testing core knowledge and comprehension, also assesses the ability to interpret information and to solve clinical problems. There will be 5 options, 1 correct answer and 4 alternatives to the correct answer. The 4 distractors will be closely related to the preferred option, but less correct, therefore acting as plausible alternatives. The candidate chooses the best answer from the 5 possible answers. Each correct answer is awarded 1 mark, and there is no negative marking.